Suitcase mix-up at the bus station.
Good afternoon. How can I help you?
Hi, I have lost my suitcase completely.
Oh, I see. When did you last have it?
When I got off the Birmingham bus.
Okay. What does your suitcase look like?
It is large, black, with a red ribbon.
A red ribbon. That is very helpful, actually.
Someone may have taken it by mistake.
That does happen with black suitcases, unfortunately.
My passport is inside and all my documents.
Try not to panic. We will find it.
Is there a lost property office here?
Yes, I will check the system right now.
Please hurry. I have a connecting bus soon.
I completely understand. Give me one moment.
Could someone have handed it in already?
It happens more than you think, actually.
Oh, really? That is good to know.
I can see a black suitcase was handed in.
Really? With a red ribbon on it?
Yes, handed in just 20 minutes ago.
Oh, thank goodness. What a relief.
Can you describe anything inside to confirm?
There is a blue jacket and some books.
Perfect. That matches exactly. It is yours.
I cannot believe it. Thank you so much.
Someone very honest handed it in today.
I am so grateful to that person.
We see kind people here every single day.
I will never use a plain black suitcase again.
The red ribbon clearly saved you today.
It absolutely did. Best decision I ever made.
Here you go. Please check everything is inside.
Yes, passport, documents, everything is here.
Wonderful. You are all set to go.
Thank you, Helen. You were absolutely amazing.
Safe travels and keep that red ribbon.
I will never take it off, promise.
Asking for a window seat on a train.
Good morning. Ticket, please? Thank you.
Hi, could I possibly get a window seat?
Let me check what is available for you.
I really hope there is one left.
The train is quite busy this morning.
Oh no, I was afraid of that.
There is one window seat in Coach D.
Oh, brilliant. That is great news.
It is a forward-facing seat as well.
Perfect. I always prefer forward-facing, actually.
Follow me and I will show you.
Thank you so much. I appreciate that.
Here you are, seat 24A, all yours.
Oh, lovely. What a beautiful view already.
We passed through some stunning countryside today.
Oh, really? I did not know that.
About 40 minutes in, absolutely breathtaking scenery.
I'm really looking forward to that.
Do you need help with your luggage?
Yes, please. My bag is quite heavy.
No problem at all. I will lift it.
Thank you so much. Very kind of you.
Overhead storage is just above your seat.
Perfect. It fits perfectly up there.
We depart in approximately 5 minutes now.
Is there a food trolley on this train?
Yes, it comes around in about 30 minutes.
Oh, perfect. I am quite hungry, actually.
They do a lovely breakfast on this route.
Oh, brilliant. That sounds absolutely perfect.
Is there anything else I can help with?
No, thank you, Ryan. This is perfect.
Enjoy the journey and the countryside views.
I absolutely will. Thank you so much.
My pleasure. Have a wonderful journey today.
Thank you, Ryan. You have been so helpful.
Sit back and enjoy the ride.
I most certainly will. Goodbye, Ryan.
Wrong order at a fast food restaurant. Hi there. What can I get you?
Hi, I ordered online about 10 minutes ago.
Of course. What is your order number?
It is order number 247, please.
Let me pull that up right now.
I think my order is wrong, actually.
Oh, really? Let me fix this immediately.
Thank you. I ordered chicken, not beef.
Let me check your original order now.
I specifically selected chicken on the app.
You are absolutely right. Chicken was selected.
So why did I get beef then?
That was our mistake. I am truly sorry.
It happens, but I cannot eat beef.
Of course, I will redo it right now.
How long will that take, please?
Just 5 minutes. I promise you that.
Okay, thank you. I appreciate that, honestly.
Would you like anything extra while you wait?
Actually, could I get some extra sauce?
Absolutely. Which sauce would you like today?
Barbecue, please, and maybe some extra napkins.
Of course, coming right up for you.
Thank you, Mia. You are very helpful.
Here is your correct order right now.
Chicken burger. Yes, that looks perfect now.
And your barbecue sauce and napkins too.
Perfect. Thank you so much, honestly.
We are really sorry for that mistake today.
It is okay. These things happen sometimes.
As an apology, please take these free chips.
Free chips? That is very generous, honestly.
It is the least we can do today.
Well, I'm not going to say no.
I did not think you would.
Thank you, Mia. You really made it right.
Enjoy your meal. Come back and see us.
I definitely will. Goodbye for now.
Lost ticket at a bus station.
Good morning. How can I help today?
Hi, I have lost my bus ticket.
Okay. Try not to panic. When did you buy it?
About an hour ago at the machine.
Did you pay by card or cash?
By card. On my debit card, please.
Perfect. We can check the system then.
Oh, really? That is great news.
Do you have your debit card with you?
Yes, here it is. Will that help?
Absolutely. We can trace the transaction easily.
Oh, brilliant. I did not know that.
Can I take your card for one moment?
Of course. Here you go. Is that okay?
Perfect. Give me just 1 minute, please.
My bus leaves in 15 minutes, actually.
We have plenty of time. Do not worry.
I always lose things. It is terrible.
You are definitely not alone in that.
That actually makes me feel much better.
I can see your purchase here on screen.
Oh, wonderful. So what happens now exactly?
I will print you a replacement ticket now.
You can do that? That is amazing.
Of course. It takes just 30 seconds.
I cannot believe how easy that was.
Here is your replacement ticket right now.
Oh, thank you so much, Phil. Really.
Your bus departs from bay number 6.
Bay 6. Is that far from here?
Just straight ahead, about 1 minute walk.
Perfect. I have just enough time then.
Keep your ticket safe this time, please.
I am putting it in my pocket right now.
Very wise decision. Safe travels today.
Thank you, Phil. You really saved me today.
My pleasure. Have a wonderful journey.
Thank you so much. Goodbye, Phil.